Did you know it is not possible to sneeze with your eyes open? Random facts. No one knew the last one. Let's talk about space. Space, a person's body can get a little taller, about 5 centimeters. Without Earth's gravity, their spine stretches out. Then, here is a big fact about our planet. Earth's spin is slowing down. Very, very slowly, the days get a little bit longer. And for the last one, the Caspian Sea is the world's largest lake. It is so big, people call it a sea. If you like and follow me, you can get smarter each day.